one of the most important things that I have to look about my wheelchair is the maintenance of my wheelchair. Now, since I use a wheelchair on a day-to-day basis from the past 10 years, I need to make sure my wheels are pumped up. I need to make sure my rims, my bearings, the wheel it's smooth enough, it's oiled up so that I can be using on a day-to-day basis on different terrains and for my mobility. Now, in 2017, I bought my first wheelchair, and when I bought it, it was fantastic. But over the years, because of many rough uses, a lot of things about that wheelchair broke. But I never really threw it away. But today, I bought it here at Gilani Mobility just to see what these boys can do with this wheelchair. So let's take it inside, let's talk to the boys, and let's see, let them assess it, and we'll see what we can do about it. Let's go. To be honest, it's been used so roughly in the gym, and I was using it gym, outside, everything.
This bar is too much rusty. You have to remove by piece.
Okay.
And then we'll have to clean it all.
Right.
We need to dry, we need to powder coat again.
There's a lot to be done. I'll let that be in your hands, yeah? I'm really looking forward that they can fix this and get me back, because if they can fix this, they can fix any single wheelchair out there, believe me. Yalla, we're gonna come back very soon and see what they have done with it. 3 weeks ago, I gave Gilani Mobility an impossible task to fix an old wheelchair of mine that needed some serious repairs. Today morning, I got a call from Gilani telling me that they have moved it from the warehouse to the showroom. Here I am today in Garud to see the final results. Whoa. This is my new wheelchair, I can tell altogether. Guys, when I gave this wheelchair to them, the legs were broken, the footrest was damaged, the small wheels were having a lot of troubles and problems, and right now what I'm looking at is a brand new wheelchair by itself. Check this out. So if you're looking to buy a new one, even service, maintenance or customization, Gilani Mobility, located in Garud, open 6 days a week. Check out their website for more details.